So what's up guys, I'm Mash from TechMesh and hope you are doing well. So today I will show you that how you can fix your PC turn off but your USB device light is still on. How you can fix this problem. So this problem mainly occurs for miss settings in your motherboard BIOS. Okay, so I will show you that how you can fix it. So before getting started, I would suggest you to please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's get started, shall we? So at first, just let me turn off my computer and show you that I am facing the exact problem that you are facing. So you can see that my computer is shutting down and now HDMI no signal. It means my computer is completely shut down. But you can see that my USB headphone, its light is still turned on. So it shouldn't be like this. I want also the light of my USB headphone or any USB peripheral turned off when I turn off my computer. So this is the problem that you are facing and also I am facing. So I will show you that how you can fix it. So for that you need to turn on your computer and go to BIOS. So for the BIOS key you can see it is delete for my Gigabyte motherboard. So I would keep pressing the delete button until I go to my BIOS. So in your case it could be different, the BIOS key could be different. So search on the internet, if you have an Asus motherboard, just search for Asus motherboard BIOS key and you'd find your BIOS key, and then you need to just keep pressing to get into the BIOS. So this is my BIOS settings, how it looks like. In your case the interface could be a little bit different, but the main thing should be remain same. So I will go to the settings. Okay, so here you need to go to here platform power. So I'm sorry because the yellow and the white combination you can't see it, so let me show you here platform power. So you need to go to platform power if you have an Gigabyte motherboard, and then here you can see ERP, which is currently disabled, so I need to enable it. So by enabling it and saving it should fix your problem in your Gigabyte motherboard, or if your motherboard has the ERP settings, and if it doesn't then you would find something like USB device power, so you need to disable it. So here I am enabling my ERP. So then I would just go to save and exit, and here I would just press the enter button. You can also use your mouse for that, and then here I would just click on save. Okay, you need to just save the settings, you need to enable your ERP. So I have enabled my ERP, and now I will just boot to my computer and let me show you that if our problem is fixed or not. So you can see that my device is booting up. So if it fixed your problem, then don't forget to hit the like button and let others know that if it fixed your problem or not, and I will show you that if it fixed my problem or not. So you can see that currently I am in my computer, and now let's test if our USB peripheral light is turned off or not. So let me shut it down. You can see that it is shutting down. So just let me give it a couple of seconds and wait for a bit. And now you can see HDMI no signal, so our PC is completely turned off, and as well as our headphone light, USB headphone light. So you can see that's how you can fix your PC is turned off and your USB device light doesn't turn off. So hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So I'm Mash from TechMesh and I'm signing out.